Nandan Nilekani, V. Balakrishnan, Jayant Sinha are business leaders who have made the move from the comfort of corporate boardrooms to the heat, dust and trial of electoral politics. They have handled robust balance sheets, but it's now their own fate that hangs in balance, much to the mercy of cues like these. Bangalore South is being watched thanks to Nandan Nilekani, who is taking on the 5-time MP and political heavyweight Anant Kumar. Bangalore Central has seen the debut of former Mphasis CFO V. Balakrishnan representing the Aam Aadmi Party. And up north, Jayant Sinha is hoping to add to Modi's tally as well.
This is a new challenge, but everything that has really helped me so far, which is hard work, good preparation, having a great team of people around you, taking advice from people like my father who have done so much for this area. These are the ingredients that are required to be successful.
Well, I think there's a great desire for change, and I think, as you know, 18 years of non-performance is being, you know how people are reacting. But the fact that the voter turnout is so high is very good.
I think the voters have a choice to make. They have to choose between an absentee MP, one candidate who went with rowdy sheeter for campaigning, and a honest, clean candidate.
In Bangalore, Nandan and Bala's former boss and mentor, N.R. Narayanamurthy, turned up with his family in full strength to cast their ballot.
I think every well-informed, well-educated, patriotic Indian should try and see if he or she can add value to our governance system through legislative assembly as well as through parliament.
Corporate India has traditionally steered clear of electoral politics, but 2014 has seen some of the top guns don the battle gear. Nandan for Congress, Jayant for the BJP and Balakrishnan for AAP. Will Judgment Day bring them success? For a change, it isn't nervous investors but curious voters who are watching. Chandra R. Srikanth and Suchetna Ray, ET Now, New Delhi.